Hello friends, welcome to CCA English classes. Today we are going to learn how to use present continuous. What's going on? What is in progress? The action, the activity which is going at present. We use present continuous. The structure is very simple. Subject is MR, first form of ing object. In interrogative, for yes no type questions, we will put is MR first, then subject, then we will add ing with first form and then object. Okay. Is he, is she, is it, is Ram, is your brother? Are you, are they, are girls, are children, are plural noun. Am I. And then in every structure we will use ing form of was. Okay, if we are going to ask question for yes no type, we expect answer in yes or no. Then we put ismr first. Okay, I'm going to ask you, Lavina, a question. Is your father doing any job?
Yes, we doing.
Yes. Yes, he is doing a job. And if she says no, no, he isn't doing any job. Is your mother also doing any job?
Yes, she does. She doing.
She is. Yes, she is also doing a job. Okay. What work is your mother doing at present?
She is a teacher.
Okay. She is a teacher. Okay, nice. Okay. Is your younger brother studying?
Yes,
Okay. Yes, he is studying. Okay. And what about your friends? Are your friends supporting you in everything?
yes, they they doing.
Yes. Yes, they are
They,
supporting me. Okay. Okay. Are they playing with you nowadays or not?
yes,
Yes, they are playing with me. Okay. Where are you living, Lavina?
I'm living at Teklimpura.
Very good. Where are you living? We have put question word before is MR. Where we are going to ask about the place where Lavina lives. Where is she living at present? So we are using where are you living nowadays? Lavina answer.
I'm
Living.
living at Teklimpura.
Good. I am. For I we use am. I am living at Eklinpur. Okay. In which class are you studying, Lavina?
I'm pursuing DMLT
Great. I am pursuing DMMT. Very good. From where are you pursuing this course?
at Ayush Paramedical College.
Okay. Where is your father working? Where is your father working? Place where Lavina's father works. Where is he working with it?
He is a businessman.
Okay, nice. He is a businessman. Okay, he is doing a business.
Business.
Okay. And how are you enjoying your days nowadays?
With with my family and my friends.
Okay. You are enjoying your these days with your family, with your friends. Okay. Are you living a nice life, enjoying your life?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I'm enjoying my life. So here, for present continuous, for an action which is in progress, we use is MR subject ing, and Lavina has answered all the questions using them. Okay. So thanks a lot, Lavina, with
Welcome,
me.
sir.
See you tomorrow with some new structures. And sorry, right now I'm getting late. I'm getting late. मुझे देर हो रही है. For get, for होना, we use get. My coffee is getting cold. Your coffee is getting cold. Take coffee. Okay. It is getting dark. Okay. Like this, we use getting for an activity which is in progress. Okay. So again, I would like to say that I'm getting late. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
How to take leave? There are so many ways to take leave. Like first, okay, bye. Repeat.
Okay, bye.
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 Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you.
See you.
See you later.
See you later.
See you again.
See you again.
In day, we use have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
The counterpart will also repeat the same. Like I just said, have a nice day, Lavina. And Lavina also said, have a nice day. Good day, Lavina.
Good day.
Good night, Lavina.
Good night.
Good night. Okay. So these are the ways when we take leave, we use them. Again, let's have its practice. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you.
See you.
See you again.
See you again.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
Good night.
Good night.
So here, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.